like you lost another one.
Trying every night, working every song, trying every night.
Nature Fat Production bafethu lokhulumayo phambi kwethu bafethu Mr Ndonoza athenkosi lona bafethu kuyona bafethu Art in My Veins. Namhlanje sivakashelwe guest yethu, guest of honor, Truthi bafethu. Ngicela ukuthi sikhulume naye simbone sizwe ukuthi usiphathele. Sabona kodwa
njani good.
All is good, all is well. Kumina mfethu nayo yayibonela igazi liya flow.
Right.
Amabhazi la esikhuluma ngawo. Mfethu awukhulume nabantu mfethu ubatshele ngomsebenzi wakho. Uqale kanjani? Uqale nini? Yini yake encourage mfethu uzofika la ukhona?
Igama lami nguTruthi kabangangazi ngenza umculo hip hop. Umculo hip hop ngaqala like 7 years ago.
7 years ago, that's a big experience, bro. I won't lie.
Yeah, I 7 years ago and they are represented to Muqale. Nasty C.
Nasty C, dog. Yeah, I can see. Listening to your music, bro, I can tell Woodsie Nasty C was the main character behind the scene, you know. Yeah, bro, angitshele kabanzi mfethu umuntu ofisa ukwazi ngomsebenzi wakho, angakuthola kanjani, angakuthola kuphi inkundla zokuxhumana or inane project osebenzela kuyona mfethu ukuthi nje mfethu yipi project mfethu uyibekela abantu noma yipi ngoma yakho uqala nje ngokuyi-release dog.
Ukuvele kube nzima kumina ukuthi ngitholakala yonke indawo manje into eyinkinga kubantu igama bo. So ngitholakala yonke indawo YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok yabo.
Yeah.
Spotify, Apple Music by Truthi nje but Truthi TROU.CWE.
Okay.
TROU.CWE, yeah. And
okay.
First checking it was like last year, mid-year, Kamala, Brother and them. Yeah, very good, just to show appreciation to Utando and to Bangani Bam, no Bam, we support Nila and music. And the one I learned there, I want to feel so EP, Kamalayo, it's a 6-track EP, Kamalayo, it's Who Me? 2 questions. Who me? Yeah.
Who me? Like 2 questions.
Yeah,
who me?
Who me?
Oh yeah.
Then
Get it, bro.
You would see after releasing my tracks Abambala, I received a proposal to record label so I started feeling like success is calling. So
yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. You were asking yourself that question. Who me? Why am I getting this opportunity at this moment, at this time, after so long? Try and ngizabalaza mfethu ngiphusha music ekasi mfethu loshine.
And that is why I get debut EP angiziqamba Who Me because
yeah.
I feel like nje ngathi cool okuzayo.
Yeah, I know, bro. So tell me, bro, about your EP, bro. Obani osebenza nabo, obani abantu mfethu obona ukuthi njengamanje bakubambezela ukuze uqedele EP or yini esingayilindela kuyona mfowethu?
EP, all I can say ukuthi something special. Now my features by surprise.
Yeah.
And is the ingoma ezobe zikhona phakathi. There's one guy nje ngasazamshiya Divine.
Divine God. Yeah, I know of that guy, bro. Bro. That's hundreds, yeah.
Yeah, phakathi Divine and it will be featuring the debut song ngisanda ku-release nje Kamalayo Dilemma. Yes.
Yeah.
And the rest kuzobe sekuyi-surprise abantu sebeyithola
bese beyibonela bona ukuthi yini enyobaphekele yona. That's appreciated, bro.
And so, I think ukuthi kuzoba ne-deluxe within a month ukuthi yenza kahle.
Yeah.
I think kuzoba deluxe.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So from EP yakho abantu bangalindela ukuthi izophuma nini, this month, next month, after 3 months? How long it's going to take for the EP to be released, bro?
EP maybe it would take angisho ukuthi izophuma late nakhona ngisho ukuthi izophuma early nakho kuzoba i-surprise
but kubetween nje mfethu ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini but angithi yazi ukuthi umusic udayise ngendlela ekuyiyona ukuthi kuyadinga ukuthi abantu baza ama-date baza isikhathi ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uphusheke ngendlela ekuyiyona understand ngithi
all I can say ukuthi uJune
yeah
angisho ukuthi izophuma ngoJune kodwa ngithi June
June maybe is the
maybe June maybe
lucky month
maybe after June maybe before June.
Alright. Guys, we appreciate Truthi studio namhlanje ngaphansi kwe-Nature Fat Production uhlelo lethu Art in My Veins. So Truthi, bro, do you mind to do freestyle or maybe play one song for us so that people will know about your work?
There's no problem. I'm 7
all is 100, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, what you can do now is just to play the beats. That's 100. Okay, we coming back with uTruTy ezosidlalela umsebenzi wakhe live namhlanje kwi-Nature of Art Production. Please keep streaming, subscribe, like, follow, share, do everything what it takes to push this music and the podcast as well. Like
JP. Okay, baby slime, let's go. And I cannot find me. Looking for myself and I cannot find me. I'm fighting my demons, why would they fight me? And I cannot find it. I'm looking for peace and I cannot find it. Man, I hope that you got me. I do this for my niggas, I hope that you got me. I've been stabbed a couple times and that's why my heart bleeds. And on is just peace. I'm sorry, I did some things and said some things I didn't mean. The word is what you really mean to me. Any kid that I ain't popping pills. Nobody really know how it feels. Tell me in circles, I'm starting to feel I turn into a cycle. But no, God is with me. Tryna tell you what I feel, but you ain't listening. Working hard in your peace, but I'm balling. But I put my all in. I'm just a lonely child, like YB. I'm tryna find peace, but I'm tryna find keys. I'm tryna like this, I'm tryna like a glick, and I'm tryna find this peace. Whoa, I'm trying to make sense. I'm trying to show that my daddy's brother never living shit. I'm making sure my mama never crying a bit. So you know what I see. I sing on this beat so you could feel what I feel. I'm blinded. We ain't got nothing, that's why I'm grinding. It's perfect timing. Looking for myself and I cannot find me.
shit, dog. Oh, that was fire, bro. That was fire, bro. Okay, guys, this is TruTy, guys. Go to YouTube, Google everything, everywhere you go. You must find TruTy, bro. It's the best thing I ever seen. Is the rapper, is the artist, is everything to music, guys. Okay, TruTy, bro. I heard your music, bro. I heard your freestyle. I heard your coming song.
Sure.
So, bro, I'm happy with your music, bro. I think also the fans and everyone who's watching you at home is happy with your projects.
For sure.
So, looking forward, bro, how they can get you, how they can communicate with you, any numbers or internet.
Ish, bro, I don't be giving up numbers. Got anywhere you can find me. Long I was on Messenger on Facebook, Instagram, but
That sounds right, bro.
giving away my numbers.
You're not feeling comfortable about it, huh?
I know.
Okay, that's the best, bro. I'm happy to have you here in the studio, bro. So I hope to see you again, maybe in the next 5 years in TV or radio station, played everywhere, bro. So I'm really happy.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro. Keep pushing your music, bro. Don't give up. Don't quit until the end of the road. Yeah.
Mama Tone. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. They come true. Okay, baby slime, let's go. Hey. Mama told me that dreams do come true. Mama told me that dreams do come true. Hustle and pray, get up every day too. Get on my grind and get on my work, cause mama told me that dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Come true. Hey. Mama told me she believe it, I believe it too. She said, I can do is look, so what you gonna do? A lot of thoughts on my own, I'm thinking about it too. I gotta wait till I blow up, I know I'm gonna do it. Did it come true? I believe it too. Nah, only for me, but for my mama too. And my big brother too. And his daughter Lou. I manifested on my dreams, trying to keep my cool. The only thing I need is money to move to the city. Trying to bring a better life, only I'm not winning. Ain't got no time to take a break, I'm balling every season. Until I get what I want, and that is success. Got no time to be the best, I'm already the best. Ain't got no time to waste, I want some diamonds on my neck. I want the Maybach. This what I'm gonna do.